Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy. Today we'll be showing you the tutorial to turn yourself into the It-inspired clown on PicsArt. First, select a portrait of your preference. Now go to Tools and select Adjust. Here, decrease the brightness, contrast and saturation. Click Done. Then, in the effects, choose black and white. Multiply it and select R. So, go to Beauty and select Eye Color. Adjust it to your eyes and select the gold color to mimic its eyes. Now erase the excess with the eraser and click Done. Next comes the hair. Select the orange, adjust the amount and erase the excess. Click Done. Moving on, go to Sticker and search It. Select the one as shown and blend and multiply it. Now decrease the opacity for placement convenience. Then use the eraser to erase half the sticker and the eye as shown. Zoom right into the image again and with the eraser and the brush tool, modify the black surrounding the eye. Click Done. Now select the same sticker and place it on the other half of the face. We did this to customize the sticker to your face structure. So repeat the process and click Done. Now do the same for the nose, repeating the process. Moving on to the mouth, select Sticker and search Red Background. Select the one as shown and blend and multiply it. Now with the eraser, carve out a creepy smile. Then go to Stickers again and search Crack. Select the one as shown and place it on the forehead. Don't forget to blend and multiply the sticker and erase the excess from the hairline. Also, for added effect, add in more cracks onto the face. And experiment with different types of cracks as shown. Click Done. Go to Sticker and search It. Select the one as shown and place it accordingly. Use the eraser to create an illusion of the sticker being behind the image. Go to Stickers and search Dark Background. Select the one as shown. Cover the entire image with the sticker and blend and overlay it. Go to Stickers again and search Scary. Select the one as shown and decrease its opacity. Now blend and multiply the sticker and erase the excess with the eraser. Your spooky clown edit for Halloween is ready. So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.